Hey everybody, we are going to be talking about the PST tire charts today. So we get a lot of people ask all the time about tire size, compound, all kinds of questions about tires, but we made these charts, which obviously you could have made them just by going on our website, looking at the tires, punching it into a spreadsheet. That's essentially all that we did, but we went ahead and included different rim sizes on there. We sized the tires so that you could see, what those tires make or what the tire size is on specific rims. So because the camera is flipped around, it's going to be backwards here. But the first column we have is our SKU. The next column is going to be the tire color. And then we have a mounted size on a 240 rim, which we don't actually have a 240 rim yet, but it is in the works to just give you guys more range on the tires. We have our 250, which is currently available, and that's the most common size. That is the size that all of these part numbers are advertised as, so that's on a 250 rim. And then over here we have our larger rim, which is a 275. So it just kind of gets you up into size range that is, if you want to get up into the bigger tire sizes. So the first size up is the 416 tire. So that's 416 on a 250 rim. That's a pretty small tire. That's going to be, most of your faster inline magnet cars. The next one up is going to be the 420, which if you look at on the 275, that puts you up into a 438, which is kind of on the top side of the sizes for the 250 rim. So there's a lot of variation there, and guys ask, well, why would I run a 436 why would I run a 416 on a 275 rim, making it a 436? Why wouldn't I just run the 436? Well, because when you stretch the tire, it actually changes the way the tire behaves. It doesn't necessarily change the durometer, but it does change the way that the tire handles. And the other reason is maybe you have 275 setups and you have 250 setups and you just want to go back and forth and try the difference. I mean, the main thing with HO slot cars, and the thing I really love about HO slot cars, is testing different things. Everybody wants me to tell them, hey, this is the right size tire. And honestly, that's an impossible question to answer. There's no right size tire. The right size tire is whatever works the best for you and doesn't cause the car to burn up. I mean, that's really the main thing. You want to go as low as you can if you like the car to feel that way. Some guys don't like the car being really stuck and sticky. Some guys like the car to be up and free. And if that's the case, then that's the right size tire for you. I know that that's not the answer that a lot of people want, because in other things, there is a lot more, binary answer. But with HO slot car tires, right here we have the S2, which is a soft tire in between the soft and the medium. We have the Albino, which is a firm tire, and there's just a ton of options. And this isn't designed so that you have to buy all of the tires to try them. That's not what our intent is with this. But because of racing so long and also not having those questions answered in the beginning for me, I realized that it really comes down to testing. Once you kind of find your range, or you find a compound that you like how it works, that's usually what you would go ahead and get, the 4 or 5 sizes of tires in that compound. And then I would recommend trying a 275 rim with those to just kind of, shift those numbers around a little bit. But these are available on the site. Obviously, you can make your own. You can make your own notes. This is just a guideline. They're laminated. It's something that you can put in your box. Has the part number, the color, the size. We make all of these in black as well. So guys that can't stand colored tires, they are all available in black, with the exception of the Albino. The albino material right now is only available in white from us. There's a couple of other colors that I can do those in, and I've thought about doing that, but I don't want to add to the confusion. So if you guys have questions about these, feel free to throw it in the comments and we will do that. But I understand that this is backwards. It's not really the point of this video is not for you to look at the chart and read the chart. The point of view, the video is for you to listen to what I'm saying, and then you can go to the website, check out the chart. The picture's on there, and we can go from there. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Feel free to comment below. Have a good one.